Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out of your Bitcoin wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch openbitcoin.com wallet application, and if you're inside your main homepage and you'd like to log out of your wallet, simply go ahead and find the settings icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Now, click on your name at the top of the screen and then select the logout option in the pop-up. Soon after you press log out, you will be redirected to this page, which means you have successfully signed out of your Bitcoin wallet application. But remember to have your credentials so that you can get access back to your wallet whenever you want. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next episode. Thank you for watching.